Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can turn off autoplay for websites you visit on or via the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to access your browser settings in the Zen browser to do that and set this customize these settings for each website one by one. So here in your browser settings, click into settings, navigate to privacy and security. And next what you want to do is navigate to the permission settings here. Click into autoplay. And here you will see a list of all websites you have, for example, decided to block the audio for. What you want to do is select block audio and video instead. And then you may enter the URL of the website you would like to have these audio and video autoplays blocked. You will find the list here below. If you accidentally added an entry here, you may remove the website from that list and confirm by clicking into save changes here or cancel to return to the previous menu. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we catch you later.